In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key from Sendgrid. First, make sure you're logged in to your Sendgrid account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Settings and click on it. When the Settings section expands, select API Keys. This is where you'll manage any existing keys and create new ones. Once you're on the API Keys page, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Create API Key. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new panel or page where you'll define the details for your new key. The first thing you'll be asked to do is name your API key. In the API Key Name field, type something descriptive that clearly explains how you plan to use it. For example, you might use a name like Website Contact Form, if this key will power form submissions on your site. Giving your keys clear, specific names makes it much easier to manage and revoke them later if needed. Next, you'll choose the level of access or permissions for this key. This is an important step, because permissions determine what the key can do in your account. You'll see options for full access, custom access, and billing access. Select full access if you want this key to be able to reach all parts of your account. This is powerful, but it also means that if the key is ever exposed, someone could do quite a lot with it, so use it carefully. If you want more control, choose custom access. With custom access, you can go through different areas of your account and enable only what this key actually needs, while excluding sensitive areas like billing and email address validation. This is a good option for limiting risk. Finally, there's billing access. Choose this only if the key needs to interact with billing endpoints, which is usually relevant for more advanced or enterprise-style account management setups. After you've selected the appropriate level of access, click the Create and View button. Sendgrid will now generate your new API key and display it on the screen. This is very important. The full key will be shown only once. As soon as you see it, copy the key immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a reputable password manager or a secrets manager in your development environment. Do not share it publicly or commit it to version control. Once you've safely stored your new API key, you're done. You can now use this key in your applications to authenticate with Sendgrid.